This Coldwell Banker Elite, Realtors property video is presented by Christy Warner. Say the secret word, and we'll take you to this custom-built, one-owner, 4-bed/3.5 BTH home on a quiet street in Quail Hollow Subd. You will marvel at the Italian marble flooring and front entry, imported directly from Italy. Large laundry, formal dining, 2 fireplaces, living area, trophy room, with wood walls and brick flooring, kitchen, office/study and main bedroom are all located downstairs. 2 bedrooms upstairs share a Jack and Jill bath, while a 3rd bedroom has its own private bath. Kitchen features freshly painted cabinets, new elec cooktop, and double ovens. Family room and trophy room have 200-watt, Bose surround sound. Exterior features, Bermuda grass lawn, maintainedby Tru Green, full sprinkler system, gutters in front and back, lots of trees, one of which is approx 250 years old, and privacy fenced backyard. All of this and more. Call today for your private tour for more information.